Here's a real quick video on this 2007 Cummins. As you can tell from the sound, this is a 5.9. So this is an early production 2007 Mega Cab. Very rare combination truck. Locally owned. This was traded in on a brand new truck. There's all the details. 163,000 miles, $25,995. I'll turn it off so it's not so noisy. Clean interior, power seat, WeatherTech floor mats. Extremely large rear seat with reclinable backrest. Factory floor mats, oversized, still on the floor. This truck does not have rust. No rocker panel rust. No cab corner rust. No bottom of the door rust. And absolutely no chassis rust. Honestly, I don't know how they kept it this clean. Even Virginia, we have some nice clean chassis trucks and undercarriage, but they usually start to get a little bit of decay. This one has none. Nice lift, I'm guessing probably 4 or 6 inches, 35-inch tires, 20-inch wheels. Drive shafts hooked up and proper, four-wheel drive. Color match fender flares, oversized exhaust. No trouble codes, no check engine lights. Clean undercarriage. Just moved it from its parking spot, didn't notice any leaks underneath of it. Trailer brake control. Aftermarket stereo. Only thing to really pick on, you can see right here, a little bit of chrome popping up on the grille, and the tops of the headlights have a little bit of fade. A lot of people switch these out to LED, different lights, and custom grills, so we left that alone. It's not a big picking point. S&B cold air intake looks to be about the only modification under the hood. And look at how clean the engine is. Absolutely spotless. And that's not a pressure washing clean, or the stickers would be missing. That's just a clean freaking engine. Little corrosion on the battery top. That's about the biggest complaints you could say. Got a recall sticker right there that was done in 2014. Not much to pick on with this truck at all. If somebody looks at this truck, drives it, and is looking for a 5.9 07 classic combination mega cab, you will buy this truck, hands down, no question about it. There's no reason you wouldn't. DavisAutoSales.com or Davis4x4.com, 804-271-0030 if you have any questions. This particular truck is available as of today, which is April 14th. 5.9 Cummins diesel lifted mega cab pickup. Thanks for watching.